Many of us are wondering, how can I stay uplifted? How can I stay positive during these uncertain times? And if you're anything like me, some days are great, and then some days I wake up in the morning and I'm like, what's going on? And so those are the days that I find that I need some extra guidance. And this is something that I've been doing that I find is very, very helpful. This is my second book, CRYSTAL365. And basically, it's a book of 52 crystals. It gives you one crystal and one purpose. But I've been using the book as an oracle, as a guide. So I'll ask a question. What do I need to know right now that's going to help me be my best self? That's going to help me get through the day. It's going to help me stay positive. It's going to help me stay in my body and stay grounded. I just need some information. And what do I need to know right now? And basically what I'll do is I'll just kind of play through the book and I'll open up to a page. And this is a page I chose today. So this one says citrine, choose happiness. So if I have citrine, I'll grab a piece of citrine and that's the crystal I'm gonna have on me during the day. But if I don't, what I've done is I'll look at citrine and I kind of read about it, and citrine's all about staying positive. It doesn't take on negativity. And so throughout the day, I use citrine as my talisman, my mental talisman. Or you could open up any page in the book and just even before you're going to bed at night, what is something I need to know now before, I end up my day? Blue lace agate, releasing stress. So I love using CRYSTAL365 as an interactive guide, a way to give you some additional information to help you be positive, uplifting, and as you uplift yourself, you're able to uplift others. We are all in this together. We can do it. We have to share our tools, and we have to stay crystal clear.